today we're going to be doing the Titanic. 3 interesting ways to get out of it. Before I start, I'm just going to show you the normal exit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So that's usually the normal way to get out of it. You know, crossbody lead, ka, ka, ka. Wah! Number 1 is my favorite. You go for the Titanic and then you do a little rap at the end. I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So from here, I'm going to be controlling her with the right hand, coming down 1, 2, 3, leading for a normal turn. 5, 6, 7. On 7, I want to be very close. That way I can wrap it around my head, so I'm going to have contact with the whole body. Going up for a self hair comb. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The reason why I like this move is when you're turning the girl, she's already in that movement, so you kind of wrap and rotate. Super easy to lead at the social. That's what I really love about this move. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, leading with the right hand again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, connect to the back. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So what's really awesome about this move is you have all these contact points. Here, here, connect, and leading around. You can continue around like this if you want to, and go, and da, 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 something like that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, leading around. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, move number 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. When you're going for a touch and go, you want to make sure that the hand is at the wrist when you're rotating her around, so you do not get confused. I see often people do touch and go and their hands are like this, and it can be very confusing, and it's very slow. So you want to make sure that you put it at the wrist when you do a touch and go. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. I'm going to step out. 6, I'm going to make sure that the hand comes down. And 7. From here, I'm going to do a little hand toss on 1. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to lead with the right hand for a spot turn. 5, 6, and 7. It's very important when you're doing a hand toss that you give space. It's even happened to me before where I toss the hand. So you want to make sure it just goes bong, bong, bong. So you want to make sure that there's space and toss down, making sure you're looking back at the follower and look at the hand. Usually when I do a hand toss, I like to follow with my hand, with my eyes. Okay, so for example, cha, 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 da, da, da. Space, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and that's next episode. And move number 3. The last one is going to be a straight jacket. In this movement, I'm doing shoulder blocking. 5, 6, 7. Block, block, and turn. When you go for 1, 1, 2, 3, you're wrapping her shoulder. 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like almost like she's struggling to get out of the straight jacket. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Block, block, and turn. And just like that. Okay, musica.